In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanban in Clickup. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and visualize your projects more effectively, you're in the right place. We'll walk through transforming your project management by utilizing Clickup's Kanban features. So let's dive right in and get started on enhancing your productivity. First, you'll want to navigate to the project or workflow you wish to manage. Think of this as your starting point where you have all your tasks and project details laid out. Accessing the right project area ensures that you're working on the correct set of tasks and that any changes you make are applied to the right place. Once you're in the correct list or folder, shift your attention to the top of the screen. You'll notice an option labeled Plus Add View. Click on this option. It's a crucial step as it allows you to add new perspectives to your workflow. You're not just stuck with a default view. This gives you the flexibility to determine how you want to visualize your tasks. In the view options, go ahead and select the board view. This is the Kanban style we're aiming for. Choosing board view transforms your tasks into movable cards, which can easily transition from one stage to another. This visual change can help you and your team quickly assess the current status of your tasks and expedite decision-making processes. Next, it's time to personalize this board. Give your new view an appropriate name and then click the Create button. A simple yet significant step, naming your board ensures that it's easily identifiable, especially if you manage multiple boards. This reduces any confusion in the future when looking for specific processes or sets of tasks. With your board set up, it's time to set up columns. These are the stages through which tasks will move as they progress. Columns could be things like To Do, In Progress, and Completed. Tailor them to fit your workflow in a way that makes sense for you and your team. This setup is vital for tracking the progress and ensuring everything is moving smoothly through your process pipeline. Now that your structure is ready, go ahead and add tasks to your board. Think of tasks as cards that you place in these columns. You can drag and drop these tasks into the appropriate stages as they progress, giving you an immediate visual cue of what's happening and when. As tasks move through your workflow, the magic of Kanban comes into play. You can quickly shuffle tasks around as priorities change and have the ability to immediately see bottlenecks or where additional resources might be needed. Finally, to add more depth to your tasks, you can enhance them with checklists and subtasks. These give you a more detailed breakdown of what needs to be done within each task. It's useful for managing complex projects with multiple layers of action items. And there you have it, a dynamic Kanban system right within Clickup. Integrating these steps will help you visualize and manage your workflows more effectively, elevating your productivity to new heights. Happy task managing.